Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have revised the topic that was bridge the gap. Okay, so today I'm going to start with another topic. Okay, so that we'll revise today, that is in conversation. Okay, so this is the next topic that I'm going to revise, that we are going to revise in in the today's session, and this is given at page number 56. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 56, that is in conversation. Okay, so here I'm just writing the topic on the board, and all of you open your books at page number 56, that is in conversation. That is in conversation. So this is the topic, in conversation, and this is given at page number 56, in conversation. Okay, so let's begin with the topic, that is in conversation. Okay, so here it is mentioned, it was, okay, so first of all I'll just read the heading that is given here. Try to guess what is being talked about, and in these sentences write the answers in the blanks. Okay, so here they have mentioned some kind of a situation or some kind of talk they have mentioned here. Okay, and now we have to guess कि वो किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. Okay, so this is what we need to guess here, कि in this line or in this sentence what they are talking about. So वो किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, that we need to find out or we need to guess. Clear? चलिए, so let's begin with the first sentence here. It was shining brightly after a week of rain, so we decided to go for a picnic. Okay, so here they are saying that पूरे एक हफ्ते की बारिश के बाद, so that means after a week of rain, the thing they are talking about that it is shining so brightly in the sky, and we all friends with the family planned that we will go on a picnic. Okay, because after the rain of facing a rain for about a week, we are now bored and now we need a little bit change, and for that we will go on a picnic. So what is shining so bright in the sky? So that is the sun. Okay, तो हम किसके बारे में बात करें? So here they are talking about the sun. So that means it was shining brightly after a week of rain. So that means the sun is shining brightly after the week of rain. And okay, and then we family, we friends, we have decided that we will go for a picnic. So that means they are talking about the sun. So the answer for the first is, that is the sun. So that means the sun is shining brightly in the sky after a rain of a week. Okay, after a week of a rain, rain of a week of a rain. Clear? Chale. Moving next to the second one. The director shot it entirely in a remote valley. When it was screened, it received many awards. Okay, so now they have mentioned that the director, he showed that it entirely in a remote valley. Remote valley means ऐसा area जहाँ पे जो population is very less. So the people where the less number of people जहाँ पे सबसे कम लोग रहते हैं, so that place is known as the remote valley. Okay, and here a person that is a director, he made a shot in a remote valley, and when it was screened, it received many awards. और जब उसको दिखाया गया तो उसने बहुत से awards जीते. So that means we are talking about a film or a movie. We are talking about a movie or we are talking about a film. Okay, so director shot it entirely in a remote area. तो डायरेक्टर ने इस फिल्म की शूटिंग, इस मूवी की शूटिंग एक बिल्कुल ही रिमोट एरिया में, रिमोट वैली, रिमोट एरिया, दैट मीन्स वेयर द इन्वॉल्वमेंट ऑफ पीपल इज़ वेरी लेस और वेयर द पॉपुलेशन इज़ वेरी लेस, तो दैट इज़ नोन एज ए रिमोट एरिया. ओके, जहाँ पे लोग बहुत कम रहते हैं, यहाँ पे जिसकी डेवलपमेंट नहीं होती, सो दैट प्लेस इज़ नोन एज रिमोट एरिया. सो डायरेक्टर ने एक रिमोट एरिया में शूटिंग की इसकी, और जब इसको फिल्म को दिखाया गया तो इसने बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स जीते। स्क्रीन्ड मीन्स दिखाया गया, ओके। सो व्हेन इट वाज स्क्रीन इट रिसीव्ड मैनी अवार्ड्स। सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फिल्म, ओके। हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द फिल्म। सो द सेकेंड वन इज द फिल्म और द फिल्म, दैट इज द फिल्म, FILM. We are talking about the film, or you can write the movie as well. So whatever you feel, right, you can. Chaliye, so let's begin with the third one. The third is, he had been waiting the whole day for it to ring. When it did, he raced to pick it up. वो उसका पूरे दिन बहुत बेसब्री से इंतज़ार करता रहा कि बजेगा, और जैसे ही वो बजा उसने भाग के उसको उठा लिया। So that means in this he is talking about the phone, okay. He is talking about the phone. So that means he was waiting, some person is waiting for a phone call very eagerly till the morning, and as the bell rang, और जैसे ही फ़ोन की घंटी बजी, he rushed, वो भाग के क्या, उसने दौड़ के फ़ोन उठा लिया। So that means he was so there's so curiosity, उसके अंदर इतनी curiosity थी that he didn't wait for even a second. He was so curious to pick the call, okay. So that means he waited for the call for the, मतलब उसने पूरे दिन उस फ़ोन कॉल का बहुत बेसब्री से इंतज़ार किया, जिसकी वजह से that he didn't even moved a bit from the place, and as the phone rang he just rushed to pick it up. और जैसे ही फ़ोन बजा वो भाग के उसने फ़ोन उठा लिया। So here they are talking about the phone. So that means where they have said it will be a phone. So that means he had been waiting the whole day for phone to ring. When the phone did, he rushed to pick the phone. So that means he is talking about the phone, telephone, mobile phone, okay. So whatever it is, that is phone, PHONE, that is phone, that is phone. Moving next to the fourth one. Its lens is very sophisticated, and it took some wonderful photos, and I took some wonderful photos with it, okay. So now we are talking about another thing, okay. So we take photographs from it, हम उसके photographs लेते हैं। So that means I'm talking about the camera. So camera, okay. So I'm talking about the camera. So here they have mentioned its lens is very sophisticated, and I took some wonderful photos with it. इसका जो लेंस है बहुत ही सोफिस्टिकेट मीन्स बहुत ही नाजुक है, ओके. सो द थिंग आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द लेंस, इट्स लेंस इज़ वेरी सोफिस्टिकेटेड, जो इसका लेंस है वो बहुत ही नाजुक है, ओके. एंड आई हैव क्लिक्ड मैनी वंडरफुल फोटोज़ विद इट, और मैंने इससे बहुत सारी अच्छी बड़ी सुंदर फोटोज़ ली हैं. सो दैट मीन्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दी कैमरा. सो द कैमरा लेंस इज़ वेरी सोफिस्टिकेटेड. जो फोटोग्राफर्स हैं दे कीप द लेंस, द कैमरा लेंस वेरी, मतलब उसको बहुत ही ध्यान से वो यूज़ करते हैं, बिकॉज उसका लेंस होता है दैट इज़ द मेन पार्ट, एंड अगर वो स्पॉइल हो गया तो पूरा कैमरा इज़ वेस्टेड. बट दे कीप इट विद सो मच, मतलब उसको इतनी केयरफुली रखते हैं कि वो किसी भी तरह से उसको हार्म ना हो. सो दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ वेरी सोफिस्टिकेटेड पार्ट ऑफ द कैमरा, ओके. So that means we are talking about the camera. So here its lens. So that means camera lens is very sophisticated, and I took some wonderful photos with camera. So the answer for the fourth is, that is camera. That is camera. CAMERA. That is camera. Moving next to the fifth. The fifth is, it was so strong that it blew the electricity pole down. वो इतना strong था कि उसने बिजली का खंभा भी गिरा दिया. So it was so strong that it blew the electricity pole down. So that means, so what can blew down the electricity pole? That is wind, आंधी तूफान, ओके. सो हेयर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द विंड, आंधी तूफान, इस चीज़ की बात कर रहे हैं, ओके. सो दैट मीन्स दे आर सेइंग इट वाज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. वो इतना ताकतवर था कि उसने बिजली का जो खंभा था उसको भी नीचे गिरा दिया, ओके. सो बिजली का जो आंधी थी या जो तूफान था, दैट वाज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग So the density of that wind was so strong that it had made electricity pole to blew down. तो उसने एक विंड की बिजली का खंबा that was quite strong उसको भी नीचे गिरा दिया. So that means we are talking about the wind. So it was so strong, that means the wind was so strong that the wind blew the electricity pole down. So here we are talking about the wind. Andhi. Wind. W-I-N-D. That is wind. W-I-N-D. Wind. Clear? Moving next to the sixth. The sixth is, it has been aching all day. My dentist said it needs a filling. Okay? ये पूरा दिन दर्द करता रहा और मेरी डेंटिस्ट ने मुझे बोला कि दैट आई नीड द फिलिंग ऑफ इट. सो व्हेन यू गो टू डेंटिस्ट, हम डेंटिस्ट के पास कब जाते हैं? सो व्हेन वी फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम रिगार्डिंग आवर टीथ, आवर जॉ. Okay, so whenever we face any problem regarding our teeth or our jaw, so we pay visit to the dentist. Okay, so हम डेंटिस्ट के पास जब जाते हैं तो हमें दांतों में किसी भी तरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम्स होती है. ओके, सो हियर दे हैव मेंशन्ड कि इट हैज़ बीन एक्टिंग ऑल डे, वो पूरा दिन दुखता रहा. ओके, माई डेंटिस्ट सेड इट नीड्स अ फिलिंग एंड माई डेंटिस्ट, my doctor, the dentist, he told me that I need a proper filling in that. So that means here we are talking about the tooth. Okay, so here we are talking about the tooth, that my tooth was aching whole day. So sometimes we face the problem of aching of tooth. So then दांत में दर्द होता रहता है, that it is quite painful. Okay, so when I paid visit to the doctor, he advised me, उसने मुझे बोला कि that you need a filling in your tooth, only then you will get rid of this problem permanently. So that means we are talking about the tooth. So it has been aching all day. It has been, that means the tooth was aching all day. Okay, and my dentist said it needs a filling. और मेरे डॉक्टर ने मुझे क्या बोला कि मुझे इसमें फिलिंग की ज़रूरत है. So that means the doctor told me I need a filling. So that means they are talking about the tooth. So the sixth is tooth. T-O-O-T-H. That is tooth. So my tooth was aching all day and the dentist advised me that I should got my tooth filled so that I can get rid of this problem permanently. Clear? Moving next to the seventh one. The seventh is, she kicked it hard and it went straight into the goal. उसने उसको बहुत ज़ोर से किक मारी, और जैसे ही उसको इतनी ज़ोर से उसने किक मारी एंड इट वेंट स्ट्रेट इनटू द गोल, और वो सीधा जाके गोल में गिर गया. सो विच ऑब्जेक्ट यू किक सो दैट टू गेट इट, मतलब कौन से चीज़ को आप ऐसे किक करते हो ताकि वो सीधा गोल में जाए. सो दैट मीन्स वी किक द फुटबॉल. ओके, वी किक द फुटबॉल. ओके, सो गोल्स किक करके गोल में हम क्या फुटबॉल ही पहुंचाते हैं. बास्केटबॉल में भी गोल होता है, बट फॉर दैट वी नीड टू कैरी दैट, मतलब उसको बॉल को जंप करके बास्केटबॉल उसमें डालना होता है रिंग में. ओके, सो हियर शी किक्ड इट सो हार्ड, उसने उसको इतनी ज़ोर से किक मारी कि दैट इट डायरेक्टली वेंट टू द गोल. सो दैट मीन्स शी किक्ड अ फुटबॉल. सो दैट मीन्स शी किक्ड अ फुटबॉल सो हार्ड विद सो स्ट्रेंथ दैट इट डायरेक्टली वेंट टू द गोल, और वो सीधा अपने गोल में चली गई. So that means that it is there. Here we are talking about the football. यहाँ हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? फुटबॉल की. Okay, so she kicked it hard and it went straight into the goal. तो उसने उसको इतनी जोर से लात मारी. Okay, that she kicked the football so hard. Okay, and that football directly went into the goal. So in spite of it, we will use the football here. So she kicked the football so hard. She kicked football hard and the football went straight into the goal. So here the thing is, that is football. This is the answer of the seventh one. That is football. That is football. Moving next to the eighth one. Okay, the eighth is, it is the best one in town. I regularly borrow books from there. Okay, so the thing we are talking about, the place we are talking about. So this is the best place in the town. Okay, this is the best in the town. Okay, ये पूरे शहर में एक सबसे अच्छी जगह है ओके, एंड आई रेगुलरली बोरो बुक्स फ्रॉम देयर, और मैं वहाँ से लगातार हमेशा वहाँ से बुक्स हैं जो बोरो करता रहता हूँ, वहाँ से लेता रहता हूँ. बोरो मीन्स टू टेक समथिंग इन उधार जिसको हम बोलते हैं. ओके, सो आई बोरो बुक्स फ्रॉम देयर. ओके, सो वेयर यू बोरो बुक्स? So we borrow books from, देखिए a shopkeeper will never borrow your book. He will always sell you a book. So that means we can borrow the book from the library. Okay, and there are private and public libraries as well, beta. Okay, so public libraries are the libraries that are made by the government libraries होती हैं. Okay, so here for if someone is a lover of love reading, okay, they can go there. Okay, first of all they have to become the membership, so they have to become the member of that library. So that means they need to have a membership card of that library, and after that you can borrow books from there also. Okay, so that means here we are talking about the library. Here in this topic I am talking about, or we are talking about the library. Okay, so library की बात कर रहे हैं. It is the best one in town. ये पूरे शहर में सबसे बेस्ट चीज़ है. Okay, so this is the best thing in the town. Okay, and I regularly borrow books from there. और मैं अक्सर वहाँ से जो books हैं वो borrow करता रहता हूँ. So that means here it is they are talking about the library. Okay, so library is the best one in the town, and I regularly borrow books from the library. So the answer of the 8 is, that is library. LIBRARY, that is library. Okay, let's move to the 9th one. It fell heavily all night, but by morning everything around was white. We celebrated a white Christmas. So now we are talking about the thing, it fell heavily all night. वो पूरी रात बहुत ज़बरदस्त हुई. ओके, एंड बाय मॉर्निंग एवरीथिंग अराउंड वॉज वाइट, और सुबह तक हर तरफ सिर्फ सफ़ेद और सफ़ेद ही था. एवरीवेयर इट वॉज वाइट. ओके, और इसलिए हमने वाइट, दैट्स वाई वी हैव सेलिब्रेटेड अ वाइट क्रिसमस. सो दैट मीन्स हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दी स्नो, बर्फ. Okay, so you know in the foreign countries the snowfall is also there during the Christmas especially. Okay, so it fell heavily all night. तो पूरी रात भर, it means here we are talking about the snow. So that means it was heavily snowing all night. Okay, पूरी रात बहुत ज़बरदस्त snowfall होती रही, and by the morning, और सुबह होते ही हर तरफ सिर्फ बर्फ ही बर्फ थी. Okay, so in the morning there was snow and snow everywhere. Okay, and there was snow and snow everywhere. Okay, and that's why it was the year end, and we have celebrated a white Christmas. इसलिए हमने white Christmas भी celebrate किया. So that means here we are talking about the snow. So it fell heavily all night. That means the snow fell heavily all night. By the morning everything around was white. और सुबह तक सब कुछ सफ़ेद हो चुका था. We celebrated a white Christmas, और हमने एक white Christmas celebrate किया. So that means that was, in this we are talking about the snow. Snow means बर्फ. We are talking about the snow. Moving to the last, like the 10th one. The 10th is, I always use it to look up the meaning of a difficult word, and when I am in doubt about how to use a word. Okay, so the thing we are talking about, I use this thing for looking when I look for the meaning of a difficult word. So the thing I am talking about, I use it whenever I found a very difficult word that I can't understand. So I always look for it. Okay, and when I am in doubt about how to use a word, तो जब भी मुझे किसी वर्ड को समझने में कोई दिक्कत होती है, किसी वर्ड का मीनिंग समझने में दिक्कत होती है, तो मैं इसको यूज़ करता हूँ. So what is it? So here we are talking about the very important thing, that is dictionary. So here we are talking about the dictionary. So when someone is facing any problem regarding and the meaning of anything, okay, you also, if you want to see the meaning of any word that you didn't understood, so you will look for its meaning. Okay, you are going to search the dictionary. There are online dictionaries, offline dictionaries, both types of dictionaries are there, because there are software copies of dictionary and hardware copies as well. So that means if you want to see the meaning of a difficult word, or you don't know that how you are going to use this word into a sentence, you will be referred to a dictionary. Okay, you will be referring to a dictionary. So that means जब भी आपको किसी भी मुश्किल वर्ड का मीनिंग देखना हो तो you will look for a dictionary. So I always use it. So I always use a dictionary to look up everything of a difficult word, and when I am in doubt about how to use a word. Okay, so I always look for a dictionary whenever I need to find out the meaning of, or I have to use a new word into a sentence. So here we are talking about the dictionary. That is dictionary. DICTIONARY. That is dictionary. Okay, so these are the answers from 1 to 10. Okay, from the page number 56. Okay, so with this we have completed the topic in conversation as well. Okay, so let's move to the next topic from the same, that is given at page number 57, that is business basics. Okay, so the next page from the same book, that is business basics, given at page number 57. That is business basics, and this is given at page number 57. Okay, so in this topic business basics, the next page we will talk about the various business personalities, okay, various business houses, okay, that had such a great impact in our life, that are playing a very important part in our life, okay, and we are generally using it. Okay, so let's talk about some of the business tactics here. Okay, test your knowledge of the business world by answering the following questions. So now we are going to test our knowledge about the business world, okay, by looking at the questions here. Okay, so that is, the first question is, if New York has Wall Street, what does Mumbai have? अगर न्यूयॉर्क में वॉल स्ट्रीट है तो मुंबई में क्या है? So if the New York is having the Wall Street, Mumbai is having the Dalal Street. Okay, so if we had watched the recent web series, that is Harshad Mehta, the Scam 1992, so in that you will come to know about this Dalal Street. So this is just like a stock exchange. Okay, तो stock exchange की एक बहुत बड़ी market है. Okay, and this just like the Dalal Street in the Mumbai, or the stock exchange, just like that there is a Dalal Street in the New York, and the name of that is Wall Street. Okay, the Wall Street. Okay, that is the Wall Street in New York, whereas there is a Dalal Street in Mumbai. So the question is, if New York has Wall Street, what does Mumbai have? So Mumbai have Dalal Street. So the answer for the first is, that is Dalal Street. So Mumbai have Dalal Street. Clear? Let's begin with the second one. Varghese Kurian set up a dairy cooperative in Gujarat, India, is jointly owned by about 2.6 million milk producers. What is the name of the leader brand? So the leading brand. Okay, so here we are talking about a brand that deals in dairy products. Okay, and and the name of the founder of this brand his name is Varghese Kurian. Okay, so this is the name of the owner of this brand, and he is the creator, you can say the founder of this brand. Okay, and now earlier it was very less, but now near about 2.6 million milk producers had joined hand with them. अब उनके साथ 2.6 मिलियन जो मिल्क प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, ये दूध वाले कह लीजिए, जो इनके साथ जुड़ चुके हैं. ओके, व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दैट ब्रांड? सो हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द अमूल ब्रांड. अमूल के आप प्रोडक्ट्स खाते हो, डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स, ठीक है. सो द अमूल ब्रांड, द फाउंडर ऑफ द अमूल ब्रांड इज वर्गीस कुरियन, एंड आज इसके साथ नियर अबाउट 2.6 मिल्क प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं जो जुड़े हुए हैं. सो द आंसर ऑफ द सेकेंड वन इज अमूल, the taste of India. That is AMUL. That is Amul. Okay. थर्ड इज दैट इज अमूल की फुल फॉर्म बेटा आनंद मिल्क उद्योग लिमिटेड. दिस इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ अमूल, दैट इज आनंद मिल्क उद्योग लिमिटेड. Okay, third is this business related social networking website for the professionals was founded in the year 2002 and has more than 100 million members. Okay, so now we are talking about another social networking site here, but this not unlike Facebook or the Orkut or any other. So in this social networking site, okay, इस social networking site में क्या है बेटा? Okay, so in this the professionals they make various accounts in this social networking site. इस social networking site पे अपने accounts बनाते हैं. उसके बाद वो उस account से they mention their all professional details there. वो अपनी वहाँ पे पूरी professional details mention करते हैं. और उसके बाद and now so जो भी interested होते हैं, जो someone want कि उनको कोई professional hire करना हो कोई, so they can look through this social networking site and they can hire the person according to the requirement, according to the qualification from there. अगर आज के समय में near about 100 million members they had joined this social networking professional site. So what is the name of this social networking website for professionals? So that is LinkedIn. That is LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is the name of the social networking site for the professionals. Okay, so that is LinkedIn. That is LinkedIn. LINKED. LinkedIn. This is the name of the social networking site, that is LinkedIn, where various professionals they have joined their hands there, and whenever any professional or the business house needs a person, they can look in this website according up to their requirement. Next, the fourth is this American Indian business professional became CEO of Google Incorporation in the year 2005. He spent his childhood in Chennai and is an alumnus of IIT Kharagpur. Okay, so here we are talking about a business person. He is American Indian business professional. So he is now living in America, but basically he is from India. Okay, and he is now the CEO of the Google Incorporation. और आज वो Google Incorporation के CEO हैं. Okay, and he is an Indian. Okay, और इन्होंने अपना जो पूरा बचपन है चेन्नई में बिताया है. ओके, एंड ही हैज़ उन्होंने अपनी जो पढ़ाई की है वो की है IIT खड़गपुर से. सो हु इज़ ही इज़ सुंदर पिचाई. ओके, ये गूगल इनकॉर्पोरेशन के CEO बने थे इन द ईयर 2005. So Sundar Pichai is an American Indian professional. He became the CEO of Google Incorporation the year 2005. Okay, and he has spent his childhood in Chennai, and he has completed his study from the IIT. He was also one of the students from the IIT Kharagpur. That is in India only. So he is Sundar Pichai. Yes, Sundar Pichai. He is the CEO of Google Incorporation. Clear? Moving next to the fifth. The fifth is this Indian-born American professional became the CEO of Microsoft in the year 2014. So now we are talking about another very great business person. He is also an Indian, but now he is living in America. Okay, just like Sundar Pichai. Okay, and he is now the CEO of Microsoft, and he became the CEO of Microsoft in the year 2014, and he is Satya Nadella. He is Satya Nadella. He is the CEO of Microsoft. So can you imagine about the Microsoft, the Bill Gates जिसके owner हैं. Okay, so now Satya Nadella is the CEO of Microsoft, and he became the CEO of Microsoft in the year 2014. That is Satya Nadella. Okay, this is Satya Nadella. Okay, so next, which bank serves as the Central Bank of India? So India का central bank कौन सा है? So the Central Bank of India is RBI. That is Reserve Bank of India is the Central Bank of India that controls the function of all other banks. Okay, so this is RBI, that is RBI or Reserve Bank of India, that is Reserve Bank of India. And all other banks, they work on the guidelines laid by RBI. Okay, and this is also serves as a Central Bank of India. Okay class, so with this I'm just ending the session here only. Okay class, so now your exams are approaching, so now kindly study hard and pay attention to your health as well. Okay class, so hope to see you again very soon. So till then everybody, have a great day.